Hello everybody. So today we're on day 4 of our 30-day challenge. Now you can't see what I'm going to clean next because it's above us. But in order to clean this, I'm going to need a vacuum and my Enviro cloth, which I forgot to grab. It's sitting on the counter. Now I'm not going to use a dust mitt only because of how bad it is, and you're going to see why. And this is only like 2 months worth of me not cleaning it. It's gross, okay? It's gross. So let's just show you. Okay, so we're gonna clean the ceiling fan today. And like, can you guys see? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's on every blade. Like this is literally just 2 months. Okay, so we're going to set you down, get you set up, and we're going to clean this bad boy. Yeah. There we go. Now you can see it. I had to close a whole bunch of curtains and lights and yeah. So I've already vacuumed this because this one was really bad because our pets hang out on the couch that's right beside it here. So you can clean this one, like, I swear you could vacuum this daily and it gets full of pet hair. Stay. Oh wait, oh. We'll do it that way. Okay. Oh, no we're not. We'll remove you. Pop that off. And just wipe it. Now I used to fill up my bathtub and soak these, and that was the only way I could get these clean. And it took me a while to get it all done. Now it takes like no time at all. How do you guys clean your fans? Do you guys clean them the way I used to? By filling up a sink and soaking all the like these parts here, the grates? Yeah, we'll call it grates. Or just doing it how I'm doing it now, which I think this is the easiest way I've ever actually cleaned them. go backwards. There we go. So used to turning them one way and they go backwards from what you're used to. Okay, lock it back up. Oh, I missed. There we go. Okay, now I can lock it back up. And Snowflake is trying to figure out who I'm talking to. She sees nobody, so she's slightly confused. Anybody else's animal does that? They hate when I'm on the phone. Okay, so we're just going to wipe the back. Oh, I missed one. Here we go. Done. Now I can turn it back on and get the air flowing rotation going again. Because we keep fans on all year round. Now I got dust. Okay. There we go. Day 3, day 4, day 3, whatever day that was. Done. Now, on to the next project. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we'll be talking again really soon. Bye.